Hello everyone and welcome to another inspirational episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There's lots of inspiration, lots of make-dos. We are showing you bit by bit the process of everything that we try to film, obviously, because not everything is possible. Today, as an inspirational video, we are going to show you this. So, what's this? This is a kitchen cupboard. This was a door in a kitchen of my brother and sister-in-law. They're renovating their kitchen. They're actually having a new one because they need more space, but they did not throw away these doors, and we have about a dozen that in the future episodes of our channel you will see in our new studio. So this is news. We are having a studio renovation, so you won't see me here, but you will see me in the studio, which is currently being set up. And we're going to use these doors as part of the decorations. They won't be like this, obviously. They will have some Rescoli love and reloving, and hopefully you will love them as much as we do. So what can we do with these doors? First and foremost, we can do them. We can create some artwork and some art pieces to hang on our walls. Some people also use them to create some even behind beds as a bed headboard, or use them to make new cabinets. But here we have two examples that we have already shown you in our YouTube channel. You can see them in our in previous episodes. One of them is this, which is this breakfast tray. This was an old kitchen door. It was unused, and we did a whole episode renovating this piece. So you can see how you can restyle this piece of wood. It was like this before we renovated, and now it is a breakfast tray which you can use to impress your loved ones, which is this. And the second one, well, there's hundreds of ideas that you can use and reuse and remake and whatnot. This door here we did live on TV about a year ago, but I'm going to explain the process because the program was in our native language, which is the Maltese, and not everyone might understand what happened. We also have another episode showing some of our stuff in our shop, obviously. So here we have this door. It's paneled. So first and foremost, we sanded a bit because it was covered in oil-based paint. Then we used 3 colors here. We blended 3 whole colors from the frenchic furniture paint. Those were Nougat, Dusky Blush, and Love Letter, which are 3 colors, 3 pinkish colors that we used here. Then we did some decoupage here. This and this are both decoupage. Actually, they are rice papers, and we just stuck them with the frenchic finishing coat. And here the third part was image transfer of this, obviously this image. We did this image transfer here because we were thinking of doing it for female, or rather bedroom, to decorate on the vanity piece that the individual would have. Once we finished off with the image transfer, we did some stenciling. So the image transfer had these words over here. Okay, here, as you can see. And then we used a stencil to create the same effect here. Once dry, we used our browning wax to mend and mold and basically make all these pieces fit together. And the browning wax was a great idea because inside the panel we left it a little bit darkish. The paint also was so smooth that even the veins of the wood came out with the browning wax, and we love the result as it is. So these are just two of the ideas that you can do with cabinets, doors, whatever you want to call them. Instead of throwing them away, you can keep a memory of the piece of furniture that you are removing, but also you are helping the environment by reducing the waste. So it's a matter of waste reduction, of redecorating, reloving, and also making our home more aesthetically pleasing for us. Whatever you like, whatever you want to do, just do it. Don't expect others to cheer on you, because they might not like what you're doing. As long as you like it, as long as you love it, and as long as you do it yourself, then you can be proud that you have achieved something. And that something would be the love of your home, of your surrounding. And when you wake up in the morning, you can look at these pieces and say, oh, I did that. I really enjoyed doing it. Perhaps it gave me some struggles, but at the end of the day, it's hung on my wall and I'm enjoying it myself. So, see you next time. Ta-ta. Hello everyone and welcome everyone and lazy YouTube episodes of this Purging Howard. Blah, 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 blah.